Founded in 2009, Central University of Karnataka has been rated 3.6 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive deep into the BBA course offered here, starting with placements rated 2.4 stars. For the 2023-24 placement drive, 20 companies visited the campus, resulting in 120 students securing placements. Notable recruiters included FirstSource, Amazon, and Flipkart, offering roles in HR, finance, and marketing. The highest salary stood at 9 lakh per annum. However, students have expressed concerns about the lack of significant job opportunities for BBA graduates. According to the overall UG NIR of 2024 report, 10 out of 96 students were placed, with most of them opting for higher studies, resulting in a placement rate of 10%, reflecting a slight increase from the previous year. Under the comparative POV, the median salary offered at Central University of Karnataka is at par with MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences. Student reviews indicate that only a small number of BBA students secure internship opportunities. Regarding academic offerings, for the 3-year BBA program, the admission requires CUET score and a minimum 50% aggregate in 10+2. Let's talk about the cost, where the total course fees for the 3-year program is 76.6 thousand, while the hostel fees ranges from 1.25 lakh to 1.29 lakh, depending on the type of the accommodation provided. National and state initiatives provide fee waivers and scholarships, especially benefiting female students with parental income below 8 lakhs who receive a complete waiver on their fees. Shifting gears to the infrastructure rated 3.7 stars. The university's 654-acre campus in Kalaburgi is well connected to major cities. The university comprises 12 schools and 26 departments, catering to various UG, PG, and PhD programs. The campus features smart, Wi-Fi-enabled classrooms, a well-stocked library, labs, and a computer center, creating a tech-friendly environment for learning. However, hostel accommodation is limited, and students have reported that the mess food is average. Students have access to sports grounds, and additional amenities include a 24/7 healthcare center, a shopping complex, and transport services. Let's now take a look at the faculty and course with a rating of 3.7 stars. Most faculty members hold PhDs and are appreciated for their mentoring and teaching quality. The minimum passing criteria is set at 40%, which corresponds to a grade point of 4.5. Students also have access to extensive research opportunities, enriching their academic experience. Shifting our focus now towards the campus life rated 3.7 stars. The university offers an engaging atmosphere with an active student council, diverse committees. Annual highlights include sports, cultural, and innovation fests. Finally, according to the NIRF 2024 rankings, the Central University of Karnataka is currently unranked in the university category. For more details on Central University of Karnataka and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.